Okay, Tony, go ahead, look at the camera and go ahead.
Hey, my name is Tony Memmel. This song is called Running All the Time, and this is Tap Milwaukee. I'm feeling all alone, this wasn't in the plan. Didn't know what to do, but I still made a stand. The rain is pouring down, and now if memory serves me wrong, I'm sick of feeling overwhelmed and underwhelmed at once. So I can't help but reach out for your hand to hold or come here, baby. I try not to notice, but the clock is running, and I'm running all the time. Every year I've been this far, I thought it wasn't one. Growing ever louder, all the repetitions. Drum, bum, 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 overwhelming optimist to show me how to dance. I don't want to lose myself, but I would like the chance. So I can't help but reach out for your hand to hold or come here, baby. I try not to notice, but the clock keeps running, and I'm running all the time. When I open up my eyes, don't wanna see a ghost. A revolution underdone, a sympathetic toast. Oh, I just wanna light the fire and head out for the coast. Leave the scene I know behind, I try to make the most. So I can't help but reach out for your hand to hold or come here, baby. I try not to notice, but the clock keeps running, and I'm running all the time. I'm running all the time. I'm running all the time. I'm running all the time.